We are going to do a guided drawing. Remember we did these in class? I will draw different shapes or different objects on the paper. You copy step by step, and we're going to see what all the pictures look like at the end. I've got some helpers here because I want to be able to see the different pictures. Everybody's art is always different, so this is fun. We are going to do an Easter basket with eggs in it, since Easter is actually about a week and a half away. It's kind of exciting. So we're going to do an Easter basket, okay? So here's I want you to go get, you need to start with a clean sheet of paper. It can be white, it can be purple, it can be whatever color you want. And then go ahead and get a black or whatever marker or pencil. And after we draw the basic shapes, then you can go back and color your picture, and it can look however you want. So let's start right here with the bottom of the basket, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna draw is a big, kind of looks like a bowl shape. You're gonna start right here on the left side, and you're gonna go down and around. Make it look like a big smile or a bowl. You want to almost cover the whole bottom of the page, okay? Okay, so that's our first step. Then we're going to draw a line that goes straight across. I need a clipboard, don't I? Okay, let's draw a line that goes straight across. Or both. Perfect. Thank you. Bless you. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is now we're going to draw the basket handle that connects the top and the bottom. It makes it almost look like one big egg, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to make that handle. We're going to do that same shape, just a little bit smaller. There you go. So now it kind of looks like a basket at the bottom with a handle. Okay. Now, let's add our first egg. So let's put one right in the middle. Half of an oval shape, right? Okay, let's add another egg. Maybe we'll do this one a little sideways. Because sometimes eggs aren't perfectly straight in the basket, right? Sometimes they're falling over. Should we do maybe another egg over here? And one more little egg behind them. Do a little line. And should we do one more behind them on this side? So I have 4 eggs in the basket. Perfect. Now how can we make this look more like a basket? We're going to add, baskets a lot of times they have a weave to them, which means that the material that you make a basket with, it crosses in between each other. So we're going to make some lines on our basket. You can do your lines sideways like this, like I'm doing diagonal. You can do them straight across like this. You can do them up and down like this, but I'm going to do mine kind of diagonal. And I'm going to cover the whole bottom of the basket with some diagonal lines. And it's going to make it look like our basket is being weaved or woven. Okay, so I've made my diagonals that way. Now I'm going to do them the other direction. Okay, so this is when it makes it look like the basket was woven together. Okay, right, now at this point, this is when you can get your crayons or your markers out and you can start being creative. At this point, you can color your handle a different color. That's okay. I'm gonna make little zigzags on my eggs because I'm decorating them like I would Easter eggs. Do you guys decorate Easter eggs? You can do polka dots on your eggs. But you know, a fun trick is to get a white crayon. If after you boil some eggs, get a white crayon and draw whatever you want on the white egg. And then you dye it in the dye, and your white drawings will appear on the egg. It's kind of like a magic picture after you dye it. It's okay, just watch. So we're just gonna decorate our eggs however you want them. Okay. And then when all is said and done, everybody's gonna have their own unique basket of Easter eggs, right? Crayons, markers, whatever you want. It's just fun to create. I love how all of them look a little bit different. Everybody thinks and sees things so differently. Miss Shailene was really good about teaching you guys how to find your own interest, your own creativity in your art. Okay, and then you can color your basket handle. Maybe I'll do mine brown. I don't have any crayons. All right, should we stop right here? Let's show everybody what our pictures look like so far, okay? You can keep coloring, you can keep creating, but this is a fun way to see how everybody's looks a little bit different. There's my daughter Madeline's. There's her Easter basket. There's mine. Annabelle, can we see yours? You're still coloring yours, right? Can we see what you've done so far? Here's Annabelle's basket so far. I like all your little eggs. Oh, you did two sides. And there's her first basket. Ooh, I love that. You don't like that side? Okay. She started over. All right, guys. So maybe you can do some guided drawing with your families at home. This is kind of fun to do. All right.